Hello everyone, quick little Costco haul just to grab some necessities. It's been raining for the past 2 days here in Vegas, which is very unusual to happen, and then go home and bake something. It's actually perfect bake weather. As long as you're not making anything that gets a little too finicky with humidity, it's fine. Also, just want to note, it's pretty busy in here versus 2 weeks ago. I don't know what's changed, but probably about 3 or 4 times as busy as it was 2 weeks ago. Today is I think it's the 16th of November. Oh, and I might peek around for some things that I might make for Thanksgiving. We don't really like turkey, but we do like sweet potatoes and stuffing, so we'll see what I pick up. Never seen these before. They're in like little bite-sized bar size instead of balls, like little balls or like little truffles. That's interesting. Milk chocolate, white chocolate, and dark chocolate. Sounds good. Only here for a limited time. They have all the chocolate out for Christmas. For some reason, this year is passing by too quick. Never tried these before. Or this from Costco. Oh, look at this. How cute! Reese's trees. It's a cute little gift basket. Aw, with a little cookie. That's not a bad gift. I used to love this stuff. This was my favorite at one time. And now, I don't know. It just doesn't taste as good as it did. That doesn't belong here. That would be a nice gift too. Tim's stepdad loves dried fruit and nuts. I have to find out where that is. Always take your cart back. Don't be lazy. Be courteous. Well, that wasn't too bad for a Costco haul on a rainy day. Trying a new recipe. Pistachio, dried cranberries, butter, flour, and sugar. That's it. Oh, and a little bit of salt. Gonna try to make some shortbread pistachio cranberry cookies. Let's see how it goes. These are unsalted, unroasted and unsalted, unsweetened cranberries, and some Costco butter, the grass-fed butter. So I just chopped a 1/4 cup of dried cranberries and 1/2 cup of pistachios, 2/3 cup of sugar with the butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla, and whip it really well. And 2 cups of flour. Now add in the pistachios. Now the cranberries. This dough is beautiful. I'm gonna roll it into a log and then put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour and then cut them and bake them. All right, rolled them into a log. Let's put them in the refrigerator. Time to go in the oven. I sprinkled a little bit of sugar on top to make them pretty. Out of the oven. Wow. These are so good. It's like Christmas in a cookie. Trying to get the lighting. It's like Christmas in a cookie. The cranberry, the pistachio, such pretty colors. These are really, really good. I'm gonna put the recipe in the description box. That's how good they are. Wow, I've never made a cookie like this ever. It's always the usual snickerdoodles, oatmeal raisin, oatmeal chocolate chip, or chocolate chip, or plain shortbread cookies. These are so good and so different. Look at how perfect the bottom is too.